folks, it's going to be great pleasure. Shumi, it's going to be a blast. Now, what would come to your mind if I were to say the word Lamborghini? What would come to your mind?
Wedges.
No, that doesn't come to mind.
Wedges on wheels.
Yeah, I mean, if you
Rap
say Countach.
videos. Batman.
My point is, bullfights would come to your mind, teenage bedroom walls would come to your mind, but hybrid, would that ever come to your mind if I say Lamborghini?
No, not even a little bit, but it has happened. The first hybrid Lamborghini, that one, is now out. Get this, Lamborghini has finally named a car that is not named after a bull or about bullfighting. It's named after a place in Bombay. It's called the Sian.
No, it's Sian. Welcome folks to PowerDrift. Welcome to Michelin Motor Show updates, where we get you detailed coverage of the 2019 Frankfurt Motor Show, where, as he said, Lamborghini for the first time ever has revealed a hybrid car.
And it's called the Sian. And Abhik is telling us that the next one will be called Andheri, but we have all the details directly from Abhik, who is in Sian, so he'll be here in 5 minutes.
None of that is true. Abhik, please take over. Tell us more about the first ever hybrid Lamborghini Sián.
A car with a shape like that could only ever be a Lamborghini, right? But let's first address the green elephant in the bull. A hybrid Lamborghini? Well, yes. The revered 6.5-litre V12 is still very much the heart, producing 785 PS of peak power, but there is a new 48-volt electrical system, a mild hybrid system in fact, that adds 34 PS, and that makes the peak output a colossal 819 PS. The Sián is the most powerful Lamborghini ever produced, clocking 2.8 seconds from here to 100 kilometers an hour. Top speed, well over 350 kilometers an hour. Maybe that's why it's called the Sián, Bolognese for flash or lightning. This brutal bull is based on the Aventador SVJ, but the skin is all new, with Countach-inspired neo-retro lines and surfaces. The extremely low front has an integrated carbon fiber splitter, but the main highlight are these unique Y-shaped DRLs, something that we first saw on the Lamborghini Terzo Millennio concept. The sides are sprinkled with scoops and ducts and aero appendages that won't look out of place on a spaceship, while the rear end has 6 hexagonal taillights inspired again by the Countach. This huge rear wing is integrated within the profile and features the numeral 63 on either side, denoting the birth year for Lamborghini and the number of Sians that will be produced, just 63. Well, that's all for now, because I'll need some more time to take all this in. So over to you folks.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Who would have thought that the most powerful Lamborghini ever made would be a hybrid? But I still like it.
Of course you like it. It doesn't have an all-electric mode, and both of us agree that bulls should not be creeping around silently. It has no electric mode. You like it.
Yes, I like it because the V12 stays, the V12 slays, and the hybrid goes for the kill.
Yeah, and I also like the fact that it's named after something Indian, but
it's not.
The bad news is that there's only 63 of them. All of them are already sold, and in that sense it doesn't matter, but the price, 26 crores equivalent Indian rupees.
That's okay, because I would have presumed anyways that only the Sultan of Brunei would go out and buy it. I would also not be surprised if Sultan of Brunei goes out and buys all of them. I'm happy because the hybrid Sian previews the upcoming Aventador, which means that the V12 engine is here to stay for good. That's good news.
In fact, I'm now waiting for the high-performance version of the Sian. Lamborghini used to call it the SV, the Super Veloce. The new one is going to be called the Sian SK, Sian Sakinaka, because it's got such a ring to it.
Thanks a lot for watching our Michelin Motor Show updates, where we are getting you detailed coverage from 2019 Frankfurt Motor Show. And we're going to get more such metal, more Abhik and more carbon coming your way all the way from the show floor of this very show, Frankfurt, ladies and gentlemen. Stay subscribed and stay tuned.